number. There already have been cuts coming in, and that's a positive there. Apart from that, the markets also are looking at strong demand continuing from Europe and Asia Pacific, and that also seems to be lending support to the oil and gas space. Prathamesh Mallya then joins us with the strategies on that space. Prathamesh, hi. First of all, what's your sense now coming in for the metal space? We have seen most of those metals actually steady after the kind of decline that we saw yesterday. Is it now a buying opportunity, especially ahead of the China GDP numbers that are coming in tomorrow?
Morning, Manisha. China GDP number is likely to be stable in the fourth quarter, is what the expectation states. However, the base metals pack as such would be troubled by reports of mines getting audited or ban of exports. That is something which could really trouble all the base metals. And Indonesia, Philippines being at the radar would again be a close watch for the base metal space. However, if you're looking for a short-term strategy in the base metals, we're advising a buy-side strategy in copper. Copper February contract at around 390 mark, keeping a stop of 386 for target higher towards 398.
Prathamesh, how would you look at the precious metal space? Because the strength in dollar, the interest rate hike story really seems to be working there. But then the US president-elect would take office tomorrow. Ahead of that, do you see some uncertainty here?
Nisha, as far as gold is concerned, it is consecutively almost 11 trading sessions wherein we have seen this year started on a positive note. It was just the yesterday's session wherein we have seen prices declining by 1%. Okay, and in that sense, all this run-up was purely on account of uncertainty with regards to the new president joining office. First. Second, dollar strengthening again is not boding well with Trump because he is in favor of weaker dollar. Again, that is not likely holding for precious metal stack. However, we see correction continuing in today's session also. We are advising a sell-side strategy in contra for both gold as well as silver. For gold, February contract 28,850 would be the level for selling. 29,000 would be the stop. Target lower towards 28,600. We are advising silver March contract also sell side 42,100. Is a level that you need to enter. 42,600 is the stop. Target lower towards 41,500.
All right. Thank you very much, Prathamesh, for joining us. And Manisha, you always give me a vicarious pleasure when someone calls sell on gold.
Gold, I can see that.
All right. Well, it's just vicarious. I really wish that we should be saving in financial savings.